I love Bangalore, especially early mornings in this city. The city's weather is fantastic. There are many other pluses too. It is India's tech and startup hub and contributes about 10% of India's GDP. In many ways, it is one of India's great cities. But it also has a big minus, crazy traffic, and sometimes one just has to escape it.
The best part is there are so many getaways close by. Just 300 kilometers from Bangalore is a city that was once among the world's greatest. And I am headed there.
It is also as storied and cosmopolitan as Bangalore. It has left behind an illustrious legacy that is still spoken about today.
I've had a tasty lunch and I've done more than 200 kilometers and I don't feel tired at all. It's because of the Toyota Innova Crysta. It's got a great blend of performance, luxury and comfort. Add to that, it's got great ground clearance and an SUV stance. What more could one ask for?
Ever since it took over the mantle from the original Innova, it has built on its predecessor's strengths and is the gold standard amongst MPVs today. A car that has been custom made for India. And not surprisingly, the most number of Innovas in the world are sold here.
I love the Innova Crysta because it's big yet practical. I can navigate through narrow streets because it literally shrinks around me. You'll be surprised to know that the Crysta's turning radius is comparable to a regular size sedan. Bangalore's traffic may be infamous and Hospet roads narrow, but this cabin is what keeps me sane in that madness. The clever packaging of the interiors mean there's tons of space on the inside. Not only is the car great in tight spaces, but it's also great on long journeys like this. Since we're talking about grandeur and plushness, do you know very few cities came close to matching Hampi back in the 15th century?
Hampi was among the world's most admired cities and several travelers even compared it to Rome. Today, of course, there are only ruins, but even those stand testament to the greatness of the city. Hampi reached its zenith in the 1500s during the reign of Krishna Deva Raya.
Each of the monuments here, from the Vittala and Virupaksha temples, the elephant stables and the bazaar, still engender a sense of awe in the visitors. It's just amazing.
1565 marked the beginning of the end for Hampi, as it fell to power struggles and a teaming up of its long-standing rivals, the Deccan Sultans. But for 200 years, it was everything a medieval city aspired to be: well-planned, grand, powerful, and incredibly cosmopolitan. It is a legacy that our cities today should aim for.
Hampi may have fallen, but the Toyota Innova Crysta stands tall and has managed to stay at the top. If there is anybody who can teach a thing or two about legacies, it is the Toyota Innova Crysta.